exactly what you have to do after you cheated. So, if you want to rebuild trust, if you want to fix the things, if you had cheated on your partner and now you want to fix the things, then this video is for you. So, here's exactly what you have to do after you cheated. The number one thing is you have to apologize. Your apology should be sincere and you should explain to your partner what caused you to cheat on them. You should explain them what caused you to cheat on them. You have to explain it to them. Whatever led you to cheat on them, you have to explain it to your partner. And um, don't argue, just explain why you cheated on them. Don't overreact, don't be aggressive, just politely explain why you cheated on them, so that way they can trust you, so that way they can know about why exactly you cheated on them. Because think of it, if somebody cheated on you, you would be curious. You would be curious to know why they cheated on you, right? So just like that, if you have cheated on someone, you should apologize, to your partner, and you should explain to them why you cheated on them. Because they are curious, they want to know why you cheated on them. So you have to sincerely, politely explain to them why you cheated on them. What caused you to cheat on them. And that's number one. Number two is, so you cheated on your partner, right? You had an affair with someone else. So you cheated on your partner and you got into a relationship with someone else. Now you have to block that person. You have to block that person. You have to show that you have blocked your person to your partner. Like, you have to show to your partner that you have blocked that person with which you got into a relationship with. So that way your partner can know that you are no longer interested in that person and that you are only interested in them, right? So you have to um, you know you have to block that person. So you cheated on your partner. You had a relationship with someone else. Now you have to block that person. You have to block that person. You have to text that person, I'm never talking to you again. And you have to show that you blocked that person. You have to show that you texted them that you will never ever talk to them again. You have to show all of this to your partner. You have to show to your partner so that your partner can know that you're no longer interested in the third person. So that your partner can know that you're only interested in them. So that your partner can know that you only love them, right? Number three, and this is the most important thing, you should, you know, you have to um, tell your partner that you will never ever make this mistake again. You will never ever cheat on them again. You have to show them your pain. You have to show them that you also got hurt by cheating on them. You have to show to them that you only love them. You have to show to them that um, when you cheated on them, you also got hurt by it, because you didn't want to hurt your partner. So you have to tell your partner that you regret doing it. You will never ever cheat again. Like, you should be remorseful, right? You have to tell your partner that you will never ever cheat again on them. you know um your apology should be sincere. That's the most important thing. And you should say to them, I made a mistake. I will never ever do this again. I also got hurt by cheating on you. I never meant to give you pain. I regret what I did. I will never, ever, ever cheat on you again. Like, you have to be remorseful, right? Um, so that your partner can know that you only love them and that you will never ever make this mistake again, right? So that's the most important thing. You have to explain to your partner that you will never ever make that mistake again, and that you only love them, that you still like the most important person in the world is only them to you. So you have to explain that to your partner. You have to explain to your partner that the most important person in the world for you is your partner. And you have to show to them that you're no longer interested in the third person, and that you regret what you did, and you want to fix the things. You don't want to see your partner in pain. No, you have to explain all of this to your partner. You have to say to them, you will never ever make this mistake again, right? So yeah, the key is you have to be apologetic, and your apology should be sincere. And more importantly, you should, show to your partner that you have blocked that third person with which you made an affair with. And also, you have to tell your partner, you have to sincerely, you have to cry, bro. You have to sincerely tell your partner that you will never ever cheat on them again, that you regret what you did, right? You have to show them that it hurt you, and you have to show to them that you are hurt because your partner is hurt by you. So you have to show to them that you care. You have to show to them that the most important person to you in the world is them, right? You have to show this to them, and you have to, say to them, I made a mistake. I will never ever do this again. So this is how you rebuild trust once you have cheated on your partner. I wish you the best. And by the way, if you want personal coaching from me, where basically I'm offering a 4-month package, and I guarantee that in 4 months, I will help you save your marriage if you are, on the edge of losing it. And if you're having trust issues, like if you have cheated on your partner, I can help you rebuild trust. In 4 months, I will take you from, you about to lose marriage to your partner absolutely trusting you. So this is my 4-month package, 4-month package, where I will help you, how to say it, where I will help you basically get, rebuild your relationship, where I will help you save your relationship, where I will help you save your relationship and rebuild trust, like completely fix the things in 4 months. I guarantee you that. I have done this in the past with my clients, and I will be happy to do it with you. So if you are someone who is, like about to lose the marriage, or who has cheated on his partner or her partner and now wants to fix the things, well, you should DM me on Instagram or on WhatsApp. My Instagram username is in the description box, And my WhatsApp number is also in the description box. Go ahead, DM me, and I guarantee you, I have done this in the past. I can show you my testimonials too. I will fix the things. I will help you move from you about to lose your marriage to you having saved your marriage and you having rebuilt the trust. You have, just completely fixing the relationship. So in 4 months, I can guarantee you I will be able to do that with you. I have done this in the past with the clients um, who were about to lose their marriages, but I helped them save their marriages in 4 months. So this is a 4-month package that I'm offering. If you need help, if you need my personal coaching, like if you want me to help you through this 4-month package, then go ahead, DM me, and I will be happy to help you. So yeah, DM me. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.